we came out for shopping clothes and snacks as we are heading somewhere on this weekend. We started our day early and headed to King's Beach. We really had a wonderful time on the beach enjoying the sun. After that, we went to Sea Life Sunshine Coast to see the amazing marine animals. We can see sharks, rays, turtles and many colorful fishes here. Baby enjoyed walking through the underwater tunnel. And then we went to Point Cartwright Lighthouse. Akkada konni pics teeskoni and then I took some rest there. Tarvata we headed to Kundalila waterfalls. Chala mandi they come for hiking and swimming here. This is amazing rock pool. It took 20 minutes for us to reach this pool and we should walk downhill from the car park. And we took amazing photos here. The view was very breathtaking, but on the way back we should walk uphill, so it took us 40 minutes for us to reach our car. After taking few snaps, we headed home. We carefully planned our weekend so we could visit several places with the kid. We organized our time well to make sure we had enough time to enjoy each place without rushing. By planning the schedule in advance, the kids also can have fun and they can explore all the things. We managed to visit all the places we wanted and it turned out to be a well organized day. Anyways, I enjoy driving so I am not tired at all, and tomorrow we are planning to visit Mount Kurta, the scenic drive. But I don't know if my baby manages because tan chala tired అయిపోయింది. She was in deep sleep now. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. Levagane, I fed her quick bites and we started to Mount Kurta, the scenic drive. ఇక్కడ గిఫ్ట్ షాప్స్, కెఫేస్, రెస్టారెంట్ అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. రాగానే గిఫ్ట్ షాప్కి వెళ్ళి ఒక టాయ్ తీసుకుంది. తనకు నచ్చింది ఏదైనా ఒకటి కొనిస్తే షీ విల్ బి క్వైట్. అందుకే మేము ఏదో ఒకటి కొనిచేస్తాం. These binoculars are coin operated. మనం అందులో ఒక కాయిన్ వేస్తే we can view the Brisbane city skyline and also other suburbs. చాలా అమేజింగ్ ఉంటుంది. But so we should get coins with us. అలా ప్రశాంతంగా బ్రంచ్ ఆర్డర్ చేసుకున్నాం. పాప చెప్పే కబుర్లు వింటూ అలా మా బ్రంచ్ ఫినిష్ చేసుకొని కొన్ని పిక్స్ తీసుకొని we headed home. నెక్స్ట్ డే స్కూల్ ఉంది, అందుకే we headed home early. Okay, see you all in my next vlog. Bye bye.